What's up, everyone, and welcome back to Quick Helper. Today, I'll show you how to change your country in the Google Play Store. So, let's start. To change your country in the Google Play Store, start by opening the Google Play Store app. Then select your profile icon on the top right. Once the menu opens, select Payments and Subscriptions. Then Payment Methods. This will load your payment methods in the Google Play Store. Next, select More Payment Settings. It is located at the bottom. This will open up your browser, where you may need to log in to your Google account. Once logged in, select the three lines in the top left to open the menu. Then in the menu, select Settings, and under Settings, you will see Payment Profile. Simply select the pencil icon next to Country or Region. Then create New Profile. Follow the prompts to select the country or region you want to change to in the Google Play Store. Then fill out all the required information, such as your address, city, province, and postal code. Once done, select Submit, and you will have changed your Google Play Store country. There you go. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.